3 major keys to effective lead generation. The major keys to effective lead generation. For the purpose of this video, I will outline 3 major keys to effective lead generation. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about 3 major keys to effective lead generation. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand. So for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. These are the 3 keys to effective lead generation that I believe are critical for the overall success of any business in today's competitive world. By following these 3 keys, you can dramatically increase your chances of having a successful and sustainable lead generation campaign. The first key to generating leads is developing a strategy. In order to generate qualified leads, you need a plan on how to follow up with these individuals once they have been targeted. A good example of this is if you were a car dealer, you may want to hold an open house to generate interest. Once the interest has been generated, you will need to follow up with the interested parties by phone or email to ensure that you are keeping the contact. The second key to this is knowing your competition. The way that you compete against your competition is by staying ahead of them in the marketing game. One way to do this is by having a well thought out marketing plan. Then talk about your connection to them, and finally look at the actual actions that you take to help them. So without further delay, let's get started. What you might not be aware of is that some of your competitors are doing what you are already doing but are doing it much better. It is important to stay on top of your competition by being proactive and using the same proven tactics that have been working for your business for years. The third key to effective lead generation is knowing your target market. This is very important because you want to target individuals who are interested in what you have to offer. There are many ways to find your target market, but one way that has worked great for me is going to local business organizations, churches, schools, and the elderly. This is because the demographic of these individuals tend to be highly interested in what is going on in their area. Generating business leads is not an easy task. It takes time to generate a qualified customer. Another great way that I have heard these days is to utilize online marketing tools such as email marketing, social networking, and classified ads. Many business owners are turning to these types of advertising tools because they cost less to start up and require less monthly maintenance. The key is finding the right ones that fit your current budget and marketing goals. The fourth and final key is that you must remain consistent and develop a good relationship with your prospects. Your relationship with your prospect is the determining factor of whether they will purchase from you or not. The key 3 listed above are all crucial when generating sales leads. Make sure that you are consistent in your presentation, your offer, and your follow-up. These are just a few examples of what you can do to generate business leads. The real key is just making sure that your efforts are consistently bringing in what you do or don't do for them. We will briefly go over the first 2 categories, your personal brand and your followers' perception of you. Then talk about your connection to them. Base. You may not always be able to generate new leads though. This just means that you need to stay on top of what your prospects are interested in. Use the above as a good general guideline so that you will know what area you need to concentrate your efforts in. As you can see, there are actually quite a few major keys to effective lead generation. Some of the methods may seem a little strange to you at first, but in the long run, They will work out much better than struggling to generate business leads on your own. Do your research and find the method that works best for you. In this video, we will discuss the 3 keys to effective lead generation. First, your personal brand. Your overall perception of you, your image, reputation, or character. Second, your followers. Thanks for watching my video about 3 major keys to effective lead generation. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.